This is English 101 College Reading and Composition Online. Hello and welcome. Who am I? Well, I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I am your English professor. All right, let's see what we have in our class. I am here in home in our class, and I have my photo of Yoda. I think this is me and this is you. You're playing Luke and I'm playing Yoda here, and I'm telling you, clear your mind of questions and learn what we are doing in class. And how can you do so? You can click on FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions here. Let's go ahead and click on that. That is, in fact, our first assignment. And I have all the questions that you might have for me in class. For you to ask and answer, and the information to answer them is here below. So that is our first assignment, frequently asked questions. And I also have a quick way for you to become organized, and that's our number 2 item here. Click on modules here or in the left menu. To view all class lesson plans with links to all assignments. We only need to go to one place. Okay, so modules is here in the left menu. I can click here, or I can use this handy link here. I'm going to click here, and we can see that all of our lesson plans for this class are here. And we will begin our to-do list for week 9, which is our first week, October 28th to 28th, 2018. And we have our lesson plans. All right, let's get started. And again, hello and welcome. And any questions you have, I am here to answer them. So this is English 101, College Reading and Composition 1 online. And hello and welcome again. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I am your teacher in this course. All right. Again, welcome, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me a question. All you need to do is go over here to the inbox, click on it, and I'm going to do so right now. And you would click on this pencil icon here, and you would select our course right here, and you would write in my name, start to write it in, Nuala. It'll pop up. Tell me what you need help with specifically, such as discussion 1. Give me all the details here and send me a message. And it's that easy. I will see the message and I will be able to help you. Okay, so let's get started. And I hope I have cleared your mind of any questions. You can learn what we are doing in class by clicking on 1 or 2 here at the links. Again, welcome.